1, 2, 3. For this play along, I was doing 3 parts. First, I was doing the melody. You can find the notation for that on the free printable. The link is down below. And if you don't know how to read tab, I'll add a little video here that'll teach you how to read tab. Next, I was doing the strumming, which was down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. That's because this song is in a feel of 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So beat 1 was the full strum. 1, 2, and 3. And 1, 2, and 3. And 1, 2, and 3. And the next part was a little finger picking pattern. That one's not on the notation, so I'm going to explain it here. So assign 1 finger per string, the thumb on G, index on C, middle on E, and ring on A. When you pick, don't pluck, like don't pluck out of the ukulele. It's more like if you're just doing this, like kind of squeezing the fingers gently together. And what I'm doing is I'm picking on the index finger first, so the index finger is just going up, and then the other 3 fingers. Index is gonna do that on every 1. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Silent night, holy night. I think that sounds really beautiful, and since this is our lowest sounding string, unless you have a low G, this gives us a feel of like ba, 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 ba. So those are the 3 different parts that I'm doing on this tutorial.